Good afternoon. Today I'll go to the related to proof of the paper, research paper. For this I got it as a from the what is that, the proof of your article to publish in the material today proceedings is now available on that. What the things you have to do it, first you have to click on this. I got it as a one this link. You have to click on this one. Okay, you have to click it. Then first procedure you will find it as these things: home, download Adobe Reader, download your proof, correct your proof and return to your proof. These things will come. Okay, first things what you have to do it, home is you go for this one. First the things is that one, please tick box to confirm. Okay, I am a corresponding author of this article and I have read with agree in terms and conditions. You have to click on this one. Okay, then you go to the confirm and continue. You go to this. This is an important thing. Now one more thing, download the Adobe Reader. Okay, this is a newest Adobe Reader, means you have to download this one. Actually, if you have to correct version of the Adobe Reader, then you need to download it so that you can save the changes to your proofs and download at least a version using this one. You have to click on this one. Okay, I'll click anyhow. You'll get it as in this way. Okay, I already downloaded actually. Okay, if you want, you download it this one. Okay, you download, click on this one and you go further next step. This is a you need it to download because editing of the proofs. Okay, you download it. Okay, already I have downloaded, that's why I'll not go for this one. I'll close this one. Then next is third, you have to go for the download your proof of this one. What the things you have to do it, then you have to click on this one anyhow. Okay, you will find it this, I'll read this one. This proof should be only used in the checking of the following: tab setting and editing, completeness of the correct also element, tables and figures. This point will come, please respond promptly, significant changes. This one, you click on this one. Okay, you will find it this way, whatever the size, where it is stored. Okay, it is I'll go to that only, otherwise you'll get it as in this way. Okay, download all the things. I hope that you got it this one. Okay, download it this one. Then go to the correct your proof of the address. Then you will find it this one. Okay, you click add annotated proof using Adobe Reader. If you help to annotation files, please guidelines help with update there. Click on this link also if you want. Okay, you'll find it this way also. This, if you need it, this help means you can read it. Instruction is there, annotation of the file, all the things is there. This comment will be there, all the things will be there. Okay, I hope that you got it. Okay, then what the things I will do it, whatever the downloaded file is there, I will downloaded this one. Actually it is there. You click on this one. Okay, you will find it as this way. You check it, Adobe Reader, this all the things will come. Actually I hope that you got it. Then I hope that you got it. This is a Q1, Q2, all the things will be there. You have to read it. This one Q1 is comes as a here only. If you write it as a Q1, Q2, this one second is a Q2. Okay, it comes here. Q3, Q4 will come in this way. I hope that you got it. These things will become. Okay, at the same time you read it. Please do not this one provide these things, means you will find it as a it right hand side also, this one here also. Q1, if you go for the Q1 is there, it annotation will be there. You can find here also, please at the corner also, and you have to edit here only, right hand side. I think here I made as a this one, here option is there. I made as a this one, you can edit also, status copy paste also. what are the things. If you want to also copy also, I made as a editing, that is a yes, I have written this one. Then second is what the things is, second is Q2 to find funding, all the things will be there, means this is a second one. If you go for this one, second, okay, second, if you go for this, you can read it also. Okay, you can go for this way here, one by one you can get it. This also, the author names have been tagged as a given surname. Surnames are highlighted. Please confirm that have been identified correctly. If you want, you write it correct. Otherwise, you can change also afterwards. Also, here you can go for this one, edit. Here option is there, anything, everything is there. It is don't say that is it is a final only. Okay, you can make it as this edit. Then I'll go for this third one. Whatever the you refer the number, we find that rule provided for this one, you can read it. This is a third, I think so. There's the second one. Okay, you can write it as a no funding is there. Whatever the information is, you have to provide it. Otherwise, you can write it as an Excel sheet and you have to attach also, you have to paste also. Okay, what are the things, you write it in a separate Word file and you copy and paste also. That is also one of the method. Okay, then given name also, I made it as a, you can type it here correct. I will make it as some addition here, edit. You can write it as a correct. I will write it as a one example. See, I will write it as a correct. Okay, then you write it as a post. This is one of the example. Then further also given name, it is whatever the name is there, you look at this one. Okay, number will be there. If you want, you write it as a correct. Otherwise, something if you want to get it as a edit, means you have to edit it. Surname also, if you correct is there, all the things. Here I made as a one more thing here. What is that? Please original text and standard style corresponding to author footnote. Footnote also provide at least one author name. Please check the assign and corresponding author. Also provide a professional email and address. I made as a this way. Edit also. Here also some option is there. You can write it at a edit also. It is not a final anyhow. You can edit also. You can write it here. Okay, I hope that you got it. This also. Please figure means I made as something not cited in the textbook. Check that citation suggested by the copy editor. This one I made as this one. Figure setup provides a vibration view from the figure time. Okay, that figure I have to write it. This is a figure number 3. Okay, figure number 3 means you can write it as a edit also. This one edit also. Okay, you can write it as a addition also, edit also. And table number 1, whatever the correction is there, I made as this one. Okay, I hope that you got it. You have to make it as in this correction. Then finally you have to go for the file and save. Tools will be there. Okay, file, home, tools. Okay, you have to go for the file, save. You have to go this one. Okay, you have to go this way only. Okay, I'll stop here only. I'll start here only. Then you can find a many comment also. You can write this comment symbol also will be there. You can add this also, zoom in, this all the things will be there. You can do that also. You can use according to that one. Test, all things will be there. You can use and you can edit also, whatever the things. Okay, I'll make it as a, here I written as a figure number 3. I'll write it as some directly. You can copy from the in this way also, Word file. Then you can paste here also. This is also one of the paste test. You can go in this way also. Then experimental setup for the vibration measurement I made as this one. Post also you can do it this way also. Okay, and table number 1, author things, measurement I made as this one. Corrections also if you want, that is spelling also, whatever the things you can make it also. If any mistake correction is there, once again you can go that also. Okay, I hope that you got it. Okay, I stop here only. Then this check it. Okay, stop here. And then I have corrected that file. Then you go to the return your proof copy, and whatever the things that edited copy is there, you have to write a reply. Use reply button on the original email and attach the corrected file. You have to write it that one. Okay, I'll go to that only. Okay, then I'll go to the reply here. Okay, I will do that one. Then you have to attach the corrected file also. Okay, this is a way I followed for the things. Okay, I will attach the things, then I will send to the okay, I will stop here. Explained all the steps related to proofreading. Okay, then I got it as a that is auto reply from this one. Thank you for email, please automate it this way. Okay, this is, you can track this status throughout the elsewhere. I got this as a track articles. Okay, if you need to tracking articles, this is, I got it as a two links, you can go through this also. Okay, I'll stop here only.